Welcome back to Arvion. Today's video is something you should not miss, because in the next few minutes, you will discover 5 technologies that will completely change human life by 2030. Let's begin. First one we need to talk about is Artificial Intelligence 2.0. AI today is just a tool. But by 2030, it becomes a real partner. AI systems will run businesses. AI doctors will detect diseases long before symptoms appear. AI agents will work 24 hours a day without mistakes. This will be the biggest shift in human productivity in history. Stay with me. The next one changes the human body itself. Second one is gene editing and age reversal. CRISPR is already curing some genetic diseases. Scientists have even reversed aging in mice. By 2030, we may slow or even reverse aging. Age-related diseases may reduce dramatically. Health span, not just lifespans, will increase. Imagine feeling 30 when you are 60. This is becoming possible faster than expected. The next technology is so powerful. Countries are secretly racing for it. And the third one we should talk about is quantum computing. Quantum computers don't think like normal computers. They explore millions of possibilities at the same time. Problems that take today's supercomputers thousands of years, quantum machines can solve in seconds. By 2030, they will transform climate predictions, drug discovery, cybersecurity, and financial systems. But the next breakthrough can give humanity something unbelievable: unlimited clean energy. And now let's talk about the fourth one: fusion energy. For the first time, scientists have achieved net energy gain from fusion. More energy produced than consumed. Fusion is the same power that fuels the sun. By 2030, experimental fusion reactors may power cities. Electricity could become extremely cheap. Carbon emissions could drop drastically. But there is one more technology, one that will change what humans can physically do. The fifth one we must know is advanced robotics and human augmentation. Robots will not stay in factories anymore. They will enter homes, workplaces, and hospitals. By 2030, exoskeleton suits may help disabled people walk. Brain-computer interfaces may connect our minds to machines. Robotic limbs may work like natural body parts. We are slowly entering humanity 2.0, a world where technology enhances our bodies and abilities. The future is arriving much faster than we think. These 5 technologies won't just change society, they will change what it means to be human. If you want a deep dive on any one technology, let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching Arvion. See you in the next video.